Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cancel a Substack subscription. All right. So first up, go ahead and go to substack.com or open up the app. Okay. In here, when you go to subscriptions directly, you won't be able to find the cancel button. Okay. You will have to go to more and then the settings section. Click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, here you have your subscriptions tab. Okay. So just basically look for the specific subscription that you wanted to cancel. For example, this one. Just click on it and wait for it to open. And then in here, just scroll all the way down. Okay. In here, the very first option will be to cancel your subscription. Click here. Okay. Just like this one. So just basically click on the click here option. And then in the next page, just go ahead and click on cancel subscription. Okay. And it says here, once you cancel your subscription, it will terminate at the end of the billing period and you will not be charged again. And if you're on a 7-day trial, the trial will end as soon as you cancel your subscription. Okay, and that is it. And if you want to pause, you have that option as well. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.